Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today for review I have this Jokari or Jokari. I frankly speaking do not know how pronounce the name correctly. Just if you can correct me in the comments. This is German brand, made in Germany, as you can see. The model name is Super 4 Pro. They have just Super 4. It's nearly the same without these rubberized parts of it. Hold the plastic, a little bit cheaper than this one. The article number you can see here. This is automatic stripper, and the important information which we can find on the stripper I will show just a second later. You can see it's made in Germany. There are others and other information, but the most interesting thing information for us is this. It can strip from 0.2 to 6 millimeters square wires. The same with AVG format from 24 to 10. It's work like this. We have cutter here, maximum 2.5 millimeters square, and this desktop, which very nice to have. From 6 to 15 millimeters, we can adjust this one. All it's made with the plastic. The plastic is very strong, and you feel the quality. This is rubber part, nice feeling in the hand. Only metal things we can see here is this stripper head. There's two parts. And the spring inside the stripper. Here you can see. It works like this. Very simple to use. Let's start from maximum size, 6 millimeters. It's a little bit struggling with 6 millimeters square wires, but it works. We can see a little bit difficulty, but it's made a job. So if you are using mainly thick wires, this triple will not fit you well. Try higher models of the same brand or other brands, which maximum diameter, for example, 10 millimeters squares or higher. If you up to 4 millimeters wires using, it works very nicely. This is 2.5 millimeters wire. You can see much more easier take out the cover of this. Let's try on this type of wire. This is thick rubber cover. Easily, this is 4 square millimeters, as I remember. We can try to on this thin wire test cutter. This cutter is not something will compensate pliers on other cutters, because it just for 1-2 times you need to cut some wire. There's not something near to your hand, so you put cut. It cuts very well thin wires, but let's try this one. I think we will struggle. No, it's cut very easily. So let's try with this thin wire. Very easy. Very easy. Just put in right place. Very easy to strip. Let's test on this too. We'll cut easily, because this is 1 millimeter maximum 1.25. It's thin wire. Very easily strips. So I recommend this stripper. The price for this In Germany, I bought from Amazon Germany, as I remember, about 25 euros. The lower model without this rubber, starting price from 13-15 euros, and based on higher end model the price can go very high. But for not everyday use, not for thicker wire use, this I think will last a long time, because I have it about 3 months. Work with it in my house for all electric works. It works very well, and now you can see the blades is very sharp. I do not use it, as mentioned, much, and I think made in Germany, the quality of Germany will last long time. Because of that I pay this price for this automatic stripper. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.